Are you ready for it?
Today, ma'am, we are here to discuss and explain our prototype presentation. So, we tested our prototype on various surveys, including flat surveys. The results show it effectively remove the dust and the grease.
Our project is a prototype of new vacuum cleaner. It's designed to be lightweight and easy to use. Key features include an empty bottle for less frequent emptying dustbin or trash. Our vacuum